Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little and tap on the display. As you can see here, we've got the auto screen off option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and right now 30 seconds is applied, and you can say it because this option is marked, but we can also set 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So in order to change the time, all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, just tap on it, and as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on this device will black out after 5 minutes. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.